Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Mark and Mia.
Hi, friends. We're so glad you're here today.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Mia. Today's lesson is really important.
We're going to learn how to express your emotions in English.
Yes, how to say how you feel. Happy, sad, tired, excited.
This is essential for real conversations with friends and family.
Perfect for beginners. Simple and natural.
Before we start, please give us a like.
And subscribe for more helpful English lessons.
Okay, let's talk about feelings.
Are you ready? Let's go. So, Mark, let me ask you, how are you today?
I'm great. I feel really happy today. What about you?
I'm good, but a little tired. I didn't sleep much last night.
Friends, that simple question is super important. How are you?
Everyone asks this. It's the most common greeting.
Let's practice. How are you?
Perfect. Now, most people answer, I'm fine or I'm good.
But you can be more specific. You can share your real feelings.
Yes. Let's learn how. First, happy feelings.
If you feel happy, you can say, I'm happy.
Or, I'm really happy today. The word really makes it stronger.
You can also say, I feel great, or I'm in a good mood.
Mood means your emotional state, how you feel right now.
Let's practice. I'm happy today.
Now say, I feel great.
Excellent. What about when you're very, very happy?
You can say, I'm excited. This is for big happiness.
Excited means you feel energetic and happy about something.
I'm so excited about the weekend. Or, I'm excited to see you.
Let's say, I'm excited about my trip.
Perfect. You can also say, I'm thrilled. Or, I'm delighted.
These mean very happy. Thrilled and delighted are strong words.
Let's say, I'm thrilled about the good news.
Great! Now, what about sad feelings?
Yes, sometimes we feel sad. It's normal.
You can say, I'm sad, or I feel down.
Down means sad or low. I'm feeling a bit down today.
You can also say, I'm upset. This means sad and a little angry.
I'm upset because my friend canceled our plans.
Let's practice, I feel sad today.
Now say, I am a little upset.
Good. What about when you're really tired?
Oh, yes. I'm tired is very common.
You work hard, you don't sleep enough, you feel tired.
You can say, I'm exhausted. This means very, very tired.
I'm exhausted after that long day at work.
Let's say, I'm tired today.
Now say, I'm completely exhausted.
Perfect. Now, what about stress?
Good one. When you have too much to do, you feel stressed.
Yes, I'm stressed about my exam, or I feel stressed at work.
You can also say, I'm overwhelmed. This means too much stress.
Overwhelmed is when everything feels like too much.
Let's practice. I'm stressed this week.
Now say, I'm overwhelmed with work.
Excellent. Now, what about angry feelings?
Yes, sometimes we feel angry. You can say, I'm angry.
Or, I'm frustrated. Frustrated means angry because something isn't working.
I'm frustrated with this computer. It's so slow.
You can also say, I'm annoyed. This is less strong than angry.
I'm annoyed by the noise. It bothers you, but not too much.
Let's say, I'm a little annoyed.
Good. Now, positive feelings again. What about calm?
Yes, I feel calm, or I feel relaxed.
Relaxed means peaceful, no stress.
I feel relaxed on the weekend, or I'm calm now.
Let's practice. I feel calm and relaxed.
Beautiful. What about nervous feelings?
Nervous means worried about something.
I'm nervous about my presentation, or I feel anxious.
Anxious is similar to nervous, but often stronger.
Let's say, I'm nervous about the interview.
Great. Now let's learn how to ask others about their feelings.
Yes, you can say, how are you feeling?
Or, are you okay? This shows you care.
Is everything all right? Is also very caring and kind.
Let's practice. Are you okay?
Now say, how are you feeling today?
Perfect. Now let's practice a full conversation about feelings.
Ready? Listen carefully.
Hi, Mark. How are you today?
Hey, Mia. I'm feeling pretty good, but a bit tired. I worked late yesterday.
Oh, I understand. You should rest. I'm actually feeling stressed. I have a big project due tomorrow.
That sounds tough. Are you okay? Do you need help?
Thanks for asking. I'll be fine. I'm just a little overwhelmed right now.
I get it. Take breaks. You'll feel better.
Good advice. Actually, I'm also excited about the weekend. I'm going hiking.
That's great. That will help you feel relaxed.
Did you catch all that? Let's listen again.
How are you today?
I'm good, but a bit tired. I worked late.
You should rest. I'm feeling stressed about my project.
Are you okay? Do you need help?
I'll be fine. I'm just overwhelmed right now.
Take breaks. I'm excited about the weekend. I'm going hiking.
That will help you feel relaxed.
See? Natural and caring.
Now, let's learn some phrases to respond to feelings.
Yes. When someone shares their feelings, you can respond.
If they're happy, that's wonderful, or I'm so happy for you.
If they're sad, I'm sorry to hear that, or that's tough.
If they're stressed, that sounds difficult, or I understand.
These show empathy. You care about their feelings.
Let's practice, I'm sorry to hear that.
Now say, I'm happy for you.
Perfect. One more thing, intensity words.
Yes, you can make feelings stronger or softer.
A little tired, not very tired.
Very tired. Quite tired.
Extremely tired, or so tired, very, very tired.
I'm a little sad. Or I'm very sad. Or I'm extremely sad.
Let's practice, I'm a little nervous.
Now say, I'm extremely excited.
Excellent. Let's review everything.
Okay, happy feelings. Happy, great, excited, thrilled.
Sad feelings. Sad, down, upset.
Tired, tired, exhausted.
Stressed. Stressed, overwhelmed.
Angry, angry, frustrated, annoyed.
Calm. Calm, relaxed.
Nervous, nervous, anxious.
You can express any feeling now.
Okay, friends, time for our recap.
Today, we learned how to express emotions in English.
We learned feelings: happy, sad, tired, stressed, angry, calm, nervous.
We learned intensity, a little, very, extremely.
We learned caring questions. How are you feeling? Are you okay?
And responses. I'm sorry to hear that, or I'm happy for you.
Now you can have real emotional conversations.
Okay, friends, time for our community question.
Here it is. How are you feeling today? Tell us honestly.
Yes, use the vocabulary we learned. I'm feeling happy because, or I'm a little stressed about.
We want to hear your real feelings.
Bonus question, what makes you feel happy?
Share what brings you joy. Music, family, nature.
Every comment is practice, and we care about you.
We're so proud of you for learning today.
Remember, it's okay to have all kinds of feelings.
Practice expressing them in English.
Talk to friends, write in a journal, practice out loud.
Before we go, please like and subscribe.
Hit the bell for new lessons.
We're here every week with useful English.
Thank you for being here. We hope you feel great.
Keep practicing, keep sharing, and take care of yourself.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. We care about you.
Bye.